Welcome to the RedditRank AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use AI Post Generator. From the left side menu, click on AI Post Generator. You can enter your topic. You can enter the target subreddit. You can select the post type. You can select the tone. You can select the language. You can select the length. You can enter your audience. You can select the variations. You can also provide special instructions. On the right side, you can see the generated post. You can see the image prompt. You can download the image. Below, you can see the post content. You can copy the content. Here, you can also copy the post. You can download the image. You can save the post. You can regenerate the post. You can download the CSV file. You can download the Excel file. You can also view the second variation. You can also view your history. Thanks for watching the video.